Hey Colin, you still have a problem here. So follow these instructions. Click on the tile with the percentage and it'll pull up this report. Problem is in your summary, this summary here, okay? So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words in a row, the same as the original. Even though it's a little scattered, that's how I read it, 12 words in a row. The strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as your original. You need to restructure the sentence and find synonyms to fix the problem. So start with the word seawater. Seawater is contaminated, like something like that. Start with the word seawater, find your synonyms, the plagiarism problem will go away. And do the same with all of these sentences that are all of these sentences that are flagged. You need to restructure the sentences in order to get rid of the plagiarism. I can meet with you on Wednesday if you don't understand, and I can just submit a grade today and plan to submit a grade change form when you're done. I can do that. It buys a few days. I have no time today or tomorrow to meet. I'm swamped with grading. I don't know if I'm going to get done. So please let me know what you want to do.